Welcome to the channel TechUnboxPro, where we bring you the world's most powerful smartphones and the latest flagship technology. Today, friends, we are taking a deep and exciting look at the Sony Xperia 5V, one of the most premium and compact flagship smartphones available in 2025. The Sony Xperia 5V is designed for users who want professional-level camera quality, powerful performance, and a compact premium design. Sony is famous for its alpha cameras, and that same technology has been used inside this smartphone. From photography lovers to YouTube creators and mobile gamers, this phone is made for everyone who demands high-end performance. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Sony Xperia 5V comes with a sleek and elegant body that feels extremely premium in hand. The phone has a strong metal frame with a smooth glass back, giving it a flagship look. Because of its compact size, it fits perfectly in one hand, which is very rare in modern flagship phones. The phone is also water and dust resistant, so it can handle daily use easily. Now let's talk about the display. Sony Xperia 5V features a stunning OLED display with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness. Whether you are watching movies, scrolling social media, or playing games, the screen quality feels cinematic. Sony has tuned this display to give accurate colors, making it perfect for video creators and photographers. The heart of this phone is its powerful Snapdragon processor. This flagship chipset makes everything super smooth. Apps open instantly, games run without lag, and multitasking feels effortless. If you love playing heavy games like PUBG, Call of Duty, or Genshin Impact, the Sony Xperia 5V delivers a stable and smooth gaming experience with excellent temperature control. Now the most important part, the camera system. Sony Xperia 5V uses a professional-grade Sony Alpha camera sensor. This means you get extremely sharp photos, natural colors, and amazing details. The autofocus is super fast and accurate, just like a DSLR camera. Whether you take pictures in daylight or low light, the results are impressive. For video lovers, this phone is a beast. The Sony Xperia 5V supports 4K cinematic video recording with professional-level stabilization. You can shoot smooth, high-quality videos for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. The audio recording is also clear and detailed, making it perfect for vloggers and content creators. The night photography on this phone is another highlight. Even in low-light conditions, photos come out bright, sharp, and clean with less noise. This makes the Sony Xperia 5V one of the best camera phones in its size category. Now let's talk about the battery life. Sony Xperia 5V comes with a large battery that easily lasts a full day on normal use. You can browse the internet, watch videos, use social media, and play games without worrying about charging again and again. It also supports fast charging, so you can quickly power up your phone when needed. The software experience is clean and smooth. Sony provides a simple Android interface with useful camera features and performance tools. There are no unnecessary apps, which keeps the phone fast and clean. Overall, the Sony Xperia 5V is a perfect choice for people who want a compact flagship phone with professional camera quality, strong performance, and premium design. It is especially recommended for YouTubers, photographers, vloggers, and tech lovers who want something powerful in a smaller size. If you enjoyed this video and want more flagship smartphone reviews, camera tests, and tech comparisons, make sure you subscribe to TechUnboxPro right now. Your support helps us bring you more high-quality content. Like the video, share it with your friends, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and welcome again to TechUnboxPro, where technology meets power and performance rocket.